Silicone Bristles, excellent attachment on our gentle face wash for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Gives your face a deeper pore cleaning to exfoliate and wash away dirt excess oil. Helps tighten open pores to increase skin protection. Acne and Blackhead Defense. Our cleansing WOW activated charcoal face wash is able to reduce and control acne breakouts without over-drying your skin. Control acne using essential ingredients to ensure a safe prevention routine for men, women, and teens. Great for sensitive skin. Use our effective, mild face wash to leave your skin feeling nourished, renewed. Take a pass on stinging, irritant cleansers and invest in an excellent skincare routine that brings lighter, brighter-looking skin for years. Vitamins and nutrients, cleanse, hydrate, and helps repair damaged skin, cracks and blemishes with the vital nutrients from activated charcoal, aloe vera extract, and vitamins B5 foaming facial cleanser that helps your skin retain moisture easily. Beneficial ingredients. WOW activated charcoal face wash does not contain sulfates, alcohol or similar harmful ingredients that will dry out your skin, leaving you with irritated and tight skin feel. Get more moisture without a heavy lather to make your bottle last longer. Top reviews from the United States. So good. I'm 47, my face has been dry, yet greasy, flaky and red, dull. If you can imagine all that on one face. I had been using CeraVe, and it was doing nothing. This face wash and brush have been amazing. My skin is no longer flaky and the redness has gone down dramatically. It also seems more balanced, not dry and greasy. I will buy this again and again.